How to add WhatsApp button on Instagram. So in here, first thing that you have to make sure is that you're using WhatsApp Business instead of the regular WhatsApp. So after making sure that, another thing to make sure is that you're using a professional Instagram account. You can simply open your Instagram, and in here you can get to your profile. And currently here you can see this is my professional dashboard. If you are not using a professional account, then you can tap on edit profile. And in here, if you scroll down a bit, there will be the option of switch to professional account. Simply tap on it and go along with the process of switching your account to professional. So after doing that, now in order to add a WhatsApp button, what you're going to do is again get to the edit profile option. And then from here, scroll down, then you'll get the option of contact options, tap on it. And then in here, you can get the option of WhatsApp business phone, tap on that. And in here, first of all, choose your country code here and then simply tap on this box and start writing your WhatsApp business number. So after writing your number, all you need to do is tap on send code. Then you'll be receiving a code on your WhatsApp business. Simply enter that code right here. Just like that, you'll be entering your code just like this. And here you can see after the verification has been completed, your number will show right here. So the last step remains your profile display getting on. For that, again, go back and under our edit profile here, we're going to scroll down again. Then we get the option of profile display. Simply tap on that option, then scroll down. Then in here, you can see the option of display contact info. Simply turn that on just like this, then tap on done. And when we go back to our profile right here, you can get the WhatsApp button just like this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.